Hello, Taylor. This is Jay Jones here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to first thank you for your inquiry on one of our very beautiful 2014 Hyundai Tucsons. You didn't specify color nor tread package, but I'm in the Tucson section here, well, one of the Tucson sections, and I got one right behind me. This is the 2014 SE. Come take a look at it. Beautiful alloy rims. Come on around, Taylor. As you can see, this particular one is leather wrapped with cloth inserts. Up front on the steering wheel for your safety and convenience, you got Bluetooth for your cell phone. I'm going to pat it before you leave the lot. Radio controls, AM, FM, CD player, iPod, MP3 hookup, even Sirius XM radio free for the first 90 days. All of that is accessible on your touchscreen radio face, which is also a backup camera once you put this car in reverse. Cruise control, trip and reset button. This particular one does have heated seats as well as automatic headlights. You can tell this is a very loaded out vehicle, but it's also loaded out with the America's Best warranty, Taylor. You're going to get a 5-year, 60,000 miles new vehicle warranty, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty that we're going to double here for free at Tameron Hyundai to 20 years, 200,000 miles of powertrain warranty. And not just on this particular one I show you, but every one here on my lot. So Taylor, give me a call. Again, I'm Jay Johnson at Tameron Hyundai. I would love to